Hello artists! Welcome to our first week of art together. We are going to work on a very special thing called our art books. So these are our art books. I gave these out at the grab and go to you, and you might have a different color than this. Maybe yours is red or orange or yellow. It's okay, all the colors are fantastic. If you did not get a book from the grab and go, I'm going to show you where you can find a link you can click to teach you how to make your own book, because we need a place to keep our artwork while we're having art classes online. So this is why our art books are very, very special, and we're going to start decorating them today. Now, my name is Miss Potter. Can you tell what letter this is? That's right, it's a P, because we are going to work with one of our letters from our names. But first, let's talk about our sketchbooks and why they're important. So your art books, oops, that's okay. We only want to use our art books for our art class projects. Now that means sometimes we'll be drawing in these together. Sometimes you'll have to finish it by yourself. But we only want to be using these for things that Miss Potter is talking about. So only for art class do we want to use these art books, okay? That part's important or we'll run out of pages really fast. When you use your art books, you want to use the front and the back pages. That means when I'm done with my drawing on my first page and I flip it over, I'm not going to jump straight here. I have this whole back of my page I want to use. So when I use my art books, I'm using the front and the back of my pages. Okay, that way we have 16 pages that we can use. If we only use the front, we would only have 8 pages, and we need more than that. So front and back, okay? This is also important. For each art project, we only want to use one page at a time, one page. So our first class, we're going to work on the cover. Next week, we'll use the first page, and then we'll use the second page. One page at a time. This has to last us all the way until November. So we need to use one page at a time, okay? And finally, this is the golden art book rule. Don't tear any pages out. Even if you make something you don't like, I want you to leave it right there so I can see what you're working on. Part of being an artist is making mistakes, and we call those beautiful oops, which is a book that I'm going to read to you very, very soon. But I want you to keep every single page in your book because every single page is special, okay? These are your special books. Now we're going to start talking about how to design our very cool art book covers. So we're going to switch it over to our instructional slides.